This is what OpenAI 4.0 can do. In this video, we dive into OpenAI's latest marvel, the GPT-4.0 image generation model. This revolutionary multimodal model can generate images in seconds by understanding both text and image inputs, producing incredibly detailed and context-aware visuals. Unlike any standard image generator, GPT-4.0 truly gets the intricacies of a request, whether it's text-based or visual input, and nails every detail in real time. For example, if you feed it a photo of a city skyline at night with neon lights, the model will instantly produce a vibrant, glowing cityscape with perfect reflections and realistic lighting. The real-time image generation is one of the coolest features, allowing you to see images pop up as if by magic. No waiting around for complex computations, and the model can create stunning visuals at lightning speed. Image being able to create anything from album covers to quirky Instagram posts. GPT-4.0 handles it all. You could ask for an image of a cat in sunglasses, sipping a coconut drink, and boom, it's done. In addition to image generation, GPT-4.0 lets you upload your own images for further customization. For example, if you have a rough sketch of a product packaging design and need to tweak it with some colors and logos, GPT-4.0 can provide you with multiple design options that fit your vision seamlessly. This makes it perfect for artists, designers, and marketers who need to create and iterate quickly. Good news for users! You can start using GPT-4.0 right now on ChatGPT, with access rolling out to free, Plus, Pro, and Team users. Soon, developers will also be able to access the API to generate images. While generating highly detailed images can take up to a minute, the results are well worth the wait. Of course, there are a few limitations, like occasional cropping issues or minor inconsistencies, but overall GPT-4.0 outperforms any image generation model we have seen so far, and is going to improve. So what do we think? Ready to explore the endless creative possibilities GPT-4.0 offers? Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep creating!